an SAP QM training online certification course by Vistasparks Solutions. Hugh. Master SAP QM Quality Management and gain expertise in quality planning, quality inspection, quality assurance, audit management, defect processing, compliance management, and continuous process improvement. Our comprehensive SAP QM training program is designed to help professionals effectively manage quality processes and ensure product excellence across manufacturing and business operations. This hands-on training provides practical exposure to real-world quality management scenarios, enabling learners to build expertise in quality control processes, inspection planning, audit management, and SAP QM implementation. Contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. Individuals seeking to advance their careers through quality management can benefit from our personalized mentorship programs. These programs provide expert guidance and support to help individuals develop the necessary skills to excel in their roles. Our customized training solutions cater to the unique needs of each individual, ensuring that they receive the most effective learning experience possible. One-on-one instruction provides a safe and supportive environment for learners to ask questions and clarify any doubts. Flexible scheduling options allow learners to balance their work and personal responsibilities while still achieving their career goals. Post-training support ensures that learners continue to grow and develop their skills over time. By joining our global network of SAP certified professionals, individuals can tap into a wealth of knowledge and expertise, gaining valuable insights and best practices to transform their careers and businesses. Individuals who have mastered the art of quality management are able to deliver exceptional customer experiences by prioritizing quality management in their daily work. This enables them to identify and address potential issues early on, resulting in improved product quality and increased customer satisfaction. Furthermore, mastering quality management allows individuals to drive innovation and make data-driven decisions, leading to enhanced competitiveness and business growth. Individuals with expertise in quality management are also well equipped to handle complex problems and navigate uncertain environments, making them valuable assets to any organization. Individual training programs are designed to provide personalized mentorship for career advancement, certification success, and hands-on experience with SAP organizational workflows, which can enhance team productivity and operational synergy. One-on-one instructor guidance is provided to ensure that participants receive tailored instruction based on their specific business processes. Flexible scheduling options allow participants to choose from batch or group sessions, making it easier to accommodate different learning styles and schedules. A certification-focused curriculum is included in the program, providing a structured approach to achieving certification success. Post-training support is also included, ensuring that participants have access to ongoing assistance and guidance as they continue to work towards their goals. Our commitment to excellence encompasses individual and corporate training programs tailored to meet your unique needs. We offer scalable, customized solutions that align with your career advancement goals, certification requirements, and hands-on SAP organizational workflows. These solutions enhance team productivity by providing QM proficiency at your own pace and operational synergy. Additionally, our one-on-one instructor guidance is tailored to your specific business processes, offering flexible scheduling options including batch and group sessions. Furthermore, our certification-focused curriculum ensures comprehensive knowledge retention, supported by post-training resources. This comprehensive approach enables you to achieve your full potential. Individual training is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of SAP QM principles and practices. This foundation is essential for building a strong career in SAP QM. Through our individual training programs, you will gain knowledge of key concepts such as ERP systems, enterprise configuration, and quality management methodologies. Our expert instructors will guide you through interactive simulations and real-world examples, helping you develop practical skills and apply theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. By mastering these core fundamentals, you will be well equipped to tackle complex SAP QM challenges and advance your career. Individual training is designed to provide you with personalized mentorship tailored to your specific needs and goals. This includes career advancement, certification success, and hands-on SAP skills development. Our expert instructors will guide you through a structured learning journey, providing one-on-one instruction and flexible scheduling options. We also offer batch and group sessions, as well as post-training support to ensure your continued growth and success. RCAS, why use such? RCAST and us fighting Connor. Ravies. Whether you're looking to enhance your existing skills or start from scratch, our individual training programs are customizable to fit your unique requirements. The organization of an enterprise structure is essential for implementing effective quality management systems. Defining clients, company codes, plants, and storage locations is critical to setting up a quality management environment. Configuring the QM module at the plant level allows for seamless quality workflows that operate across departments. Clear relationships between these elements are necessary to ensure efficient data exchange and reduce errors. A well-organized enterprise structure leads to improved quality outcomes. The organization's master data is the foundation upon which all quality management processes are built. This includes accurate setup of material masters, work centers, catalogs, code groups, and selected sets. These elements form the backbone of every QM process, enabling reliable inspection results from the outset. By establishing a solid framework for material management, organizations can ensure consistent and accurate inspection outcomes. The accuracy of these core data elements has a direct impact on the overall effectiveness of the QM process. A well-set-up master data system is essential for maintaining inspection reliability. Material masters provide critical information about the materials being inspected. Work centers define specific locations where inspections take place. Catalogs and code groups standardize defect and characteristic classifications. Selected sets enable the configuration of result recording options for inspections. By understanding the importance of master data in QM, organizations can take proactive steps to establish a robust and reliable system. The development of quality control measures is essential for any organization seeking to maintain its competitive edge. Organizations must have a system in place to monitor and evaluate their processes, systems, and personnel to ensure that they operate within established parameters. A robust quality control framework will help an organization to detect and correct problems early on, thereby preventing costly mistakes and minimizing waste. The key to effective quality control lies in the ability to analyze data and identify trends, which enables organizations to make informed decisions about how to improve their processes and systems. By having a clear understanding of their operations and being able to interpret data effectively, organizations can implement targeted interventions that address specific needs and challenges. This will enable them to deliver high-quality products and services that meet customer expectations. The quality planning process involves several key steps. 1. Defining quality criteria and tolerances. 2. Developing inspection plans. 3. Implementing inspection procedures. 4. Conducting inspections. 5. Reviewing and revising inspection plans. These steps are interconnected and must be performed sequentially to ensure that quality control measures are implemented effectively. Defining quality criteria and tolerances is essential for establishing a quality management system. Without it, quality control measures cannot be implemented effectively. Developing inspection plans requires careful consideration of various factors, such as material properties, process conditions, and regulatory requirements. Implementing inspection procedures involves training personnel and ensuring that equipment is properly calibrated. Conducting inspections requires a thorough understanding of the inspection method and the ability to apply it correctly. Reviewing and revising inspection plans is crucial to maintaining consistency and accuracy in the quality management system. By performing these steps, organizations can establish a robust quality management system that drives consistency and quality throughout their operations. The company has a responsibility to its customers to provide them with high-quality products. The company must therefore take steps to ensure that all products are thoroughly inspected for quality before they enter the production process. This includes inspecting raw materials and components at the point of goods receipt. The company must also establish clear guidelines for vendors who supply the company. These guidelines must include specific requirements for quality control and testing procedures. Vendors must be held accountable for meeting these requirements. The company must also have a system in place to monitor and track the quality of the materials received from vendors. This could involve regular audits and inspections of the vendor's facilities. The company must also consider the long-term implications of its purchasing decisions. For example, if a material is used once and then discarded, it may not be worth purchasing in large quantities. The company must weigh the costs and benefits of each material against the needs of its customers. By taking these steps, the company can ensure that its products meet the highest standards of quality. Individuals seeking to master the art of quality management will benefit from our comprehensive training programs that provide hands-on experience with in-process, outgoing, and post-production quality management workflows. Our expert instructors guide students through real-world scenarios, ensuring they develop the skills necessary to excel in their roles. By mastering these workflows, individuals can improve efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance overall product quality. With Vistasparks solutions, learners can gain confidence in their ability to manage quality effectively, leading to increased job satisfaction and professional growth. The manufacturing environment requires effective quality management systems to produce high-quality products. Quality control measures are essential to prevent defects from occurring during the production process. In-process quality inspection is crucial to identify potential issues early on. To achieve this, organizations must integrate quality management principles into their existing production processes. The integration of quality management principles into production processes enables the organization to track the progress of each production order. This allows the organization to capture measurement data at various stages of production. Real-time monitoring of quality control measures is essential to enable the organization to take prompt corrective actions when necessary. By integrating quality management principles into production processes, organizations can reduce the likelihood of defects multiplying. This approach enables organizations to implement efficient and effective quality management, resulting in improved product quality and reduced waste. Individuals seeking to safeguard their brand reputation by ensuring only conforming products reach their customers will benefit from implementing quality inspection procedures. Final quality checks involve conducting pre-shipment inspections aligned to customer specifications, while quality certificates provide assurance of compliance documentation for shipments. Furthermore, systematic outbound controls can significantly reduce returns and complaints, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction. By focusing on these key areas, organizations can maintain a strong brand image and build trust with their customers. In Module 8, the process of quality notifications defect recording is discussed. Retract. This process involves systematically capturing and categorizing quality defects as they occur in various processes. Corrective actions are assigned, and deadlines are defined in order to track the resolution of non-conformances until they are closed. Non-compliance handling is also an important aspect of this process, ensuring that regulatory requirements and internal standards are met. It is crucial for organizations to effectively manage quality notifications in order to maintain high-quality products and services and satisfy customers. By implementing this process, organizations can improve their overall quality management and reduce the risk of non-compliance. Key aspects of this process include defect recording and tracking, corrective action planning, and systematic quality monitoring. Compliance with regulatory requirements and internal standards is essential for maintaining high-quality products and services. In order to achieve this, organizations must implement effective quality management systems. The ability to identify and track quality defects, assign corrective actions, and ensure timely resolution is critical for maintaining regulatory compliance and internal standards. Effective quality management also requires systematic monitoring and tracking of quality defects, as well as prompt corrective action. Failure to implement effective quality management systems can result in reputational damage and financial losses. Therefore, it is imperative to prioritize quality management and implement effective quality control measures. By doing so, organizations can improve their overall quality management and reduce the risk of non-compliance. Key performance indicators for quality management include defect density, defect rate, defect lead time, defect classification, defect priority, defect resolution time, defect closure rate, defect rework rate, defect escalation rate, defect complaint rate, defect feedback rate, defect trend analysis, defect forecasting, defect prediction, defect prevention, defect detection, defect correction, and defect elimination. Individual quality management (QM) is a critical component of any organization's overall performance. By leveraging SAP's QM information system, organizations can turn raw inspection data into actionable business intelligence, enabling them to make informed decisions about process improvements and cost reductions. The QM system provides access to pre-built reports and dashboards that track key quality metrics, such as defect rates and quality control measures. This allows organizations to identify areas where they can improve their processes and reduce waste. Furthermore, the QM system enables continuous improvement by providing real-time data insights that can be used to optimize processes and reduce costs. By implementing a robust QM system, organizations can ensure that their products meet the highest standards of quality while also improving efficiency and reducing waste. The instructor provided an overview of the course content and objectives, emphasizing the importance of understanding the SAP system and its various components. The instructor explained that the course would cover topics such as data management, material management, Vistasparks, and quality control, and that students would have the opportunity to practice using the SAP system. The instructor also highlighted the need for students to understand the relationships between different modules within the SAP system, including sales and production planning and materials management. The instructor emphasized that the course was designed to provide students with practical knowledge and skills rather than theoretical knowledge. The instructor encouraged students to ask questions and seek clarification on any concepts they did not understand. The instructor concluded by stating that the course would focus on providing students with the tools and resources needed to implement their own SAP system. The Vistasparks experience offers a unique approach to professional development by focusing on expertise, accessibility, and tangible outcomes. This comprehensive journey is designed to transform careers and businesses, enabling individuals to achieve their full potential. By combining specialized training, expert guidance, and tailored support, we create a culture of continuous growth and improvement. Every participant receives personalized attention, allowing them to accelerate their progress and realize their goals. In our collaborative environment, participants can share knowledge, best practices, and experiences, further enriching their learning experience. As individuals embark on this transformative journey, they gain the skills, confidence, and expertise necessary to excel in their chosen fields. With Vistasparks solutions, the path to mastery begins, and the possibilities for success are endless. The company provides training services for SAP users who want to improve their skills and knowledge in order to advance their careers. The training includes real-time simulations of live business scenarios, allowing users to practice and develop their skills in a realistic environment. The company offers dedicated SAP server access, enabling users to work on projects at any time and from any location. The training also includes expert instruction and guidance, as well as structured preparation and mock assessments to help users prepare for SAP certification. And the company aims to provide comprehensive support to its customers, helping them to gain the necessary skills and knowledge to succeed in their careers. The company has been providing services related to SAP, which includes software development, implementation, consulting, and support. The team at Vistasparks Solutions offers various types of training programs that cater to different needs and skill levels. They provide both individual and corporate training, including customized training sessions tailored to meet specific business requirements. Their training programs are designed to equip individuals with the necessary knowledge and skills to excel in their roles. The company also provides personalized mentorship to its clients, offering guidance and support throughout their journey. The team at Vistasparks Solutions is committed to helping clients achieve their goals and realize their full potential.